Good evening, Wall Street Pete. Sick dough in crypto. And if you want to learn how to make sick dough in crypto, hit that like, subscribe. If you like learning and understanding some news about the crypto market, have a little fun, listen to me a little music once in a while, do a couple beats, make fun of me here and there. You like making sick dough in crypto, let's be real. We do live TA. I am not a registered financial advisor, but we do have a great time. And you do your own research, and you will find some of the things we do are very interesting. Hit the like and subscribe, baby. We're going on a ride. We're going to the moon. And without further ado, we are going now. Please throw me a shout out. Who is that watching right now that we're viewing? Say what's up. I hope you're having a great night. The global cryptocurrency charts, total cryptocurrency market cap. Currently at the 1.3 trillion mark. That's about where we are. We're growing. We have fallen, right, since what? The month of, looking in here, it says Thursday. It comes down all the way to the specifics here. I mean, this thing tells you, excuse me. This thing tells you 5/9/21. So that was May. In the month of May, we were flying high on the, how much did that say? Because I want everyone to understand. 2.5 almost. What's going on, George? What's up, Ran? I'm glad everyone's here. Please don't forget to hit the like button so we get the algorithm going so everyone else can get some of the crypto news. Elon Musk, right, goes on with Dorsey and talks about the price of Bitcoin, acting like they're professionals all of a sudden with the Bitcoin price. Ethereum bounces back strong as Musk revealed that both Tesla and SpaceX both own Bitcoin. I did not know this. Anthony, what's up, brother? How are you? Ladies and gentlemen, and if we have a few the women who watch, Musk also revealed that not only publicly traded stock he owns is Tesla, is that he personally holds Bitcoin, Dogecoin, and Ethereum. So the trifecta, that's what he revealed that he owns. So it's something to pay attention to. The only significant thing I own outside of Tesla is SpaceX, he said. The B word. He said the B word conference on Wednesday, which was yesterday. ARK Invest, a lot of people were watching. Kathy Wood, as we know, Jack Dorsey were also present in the conference. Said a lot of things outside. Also, the richest person in the world with a net worth of $180 billion, according to Bloomberg, right? Musk. So he's the second richest person. As we get into some of the charts, as we talk about some of the crypto news. Oh, yeah, I did want to go over the rankings as we do. We always know who's in charge, the great one, Bitcoin, right? Up 1% currently in the past week. We are now up 1.6%, something to pay attention to. 20 billion volume, nothing crazy. Down 3 billion in volume since we were going up. That's something to notice. We were about 21 billion up. This was about 25 billion up. I remember yesterday was 28. So they're fooling around a little bit. There's some volume flying in and out of 24. It's a little different. No big deal, right? Not a huge indicator. But the most one I do see is hope that Bitcoin is breaking out. And what do we pay attention to on Bitcoin? Well, we look for downward M's, which would be something's correlating in a downward spike. It would be unfortunate. What's up, Rashi? What's up? As we go through, pay attention definitely to mention. I did not mean to change that color. Please go back. That is crazy looking, and we cannot. Wonderful. So I'm going to go here on the W, and we're going to make this upward W, this possibility here. Fibonacci sequence, as you see what is going on with this chart. Well, the last time I received two red candles, it was a bearish momentum that triggered on a ticker bounce that we talk about on this channel, and we grow. So as you see the sweet spot, I have a little indicator. This was for me. This was not for you as I was trading and longing Bitcoin today. I planned on having Bitcoin come through a little bit here. I do plan on selling, as I told you in my last video, 33,000. Well, I have established I'm going to beat the whales, and I'm going to go to 32.9. No, I'm actually going to go to about 32.8-ish. If we hit 32.8, I'm probably out the gate quick as hell. You would know well. So the upward W momentum is going through. This is an inverted, I hope. If not, this is the hourly, so we don't have a lot of TA on the hourly. I go to the 4-weekly, I get a little more action. Maybe it'll help. It's showing this fall here. These are the two wicks. I plan on this in an hour and a half. We're going to go to hour and 50 minutes, excuse me. I plan on going into the 8 o'clock candle. The 8 o'clock candle, I do believe then will be that catch-up. If you see the catch-up, the red, we went green. Well, on the 4-weekly, I'm telling you right now, on the forwardly, I plan the 8 o'clock candle, which I'm going to be up all the way till midnight tonight. I plan on this being green. You want to see what I'm talking about? Don't believe me? Don't believe me? Just watch. Bum, 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 bum. Yeah, this is the Wall Street Pete Show, Sick Dough in Crypto. I thought you'd know. Hit the like, subscribe. We love positivity. If you've had a bad day today, it is Thursday. Tomorrow is Friday. We're almost there. If you work on a weekly basis like most of us do, tomorrow is the day. We'll see a little bit of Friday action. We're going into the weekend, so don't get this effed up. Ladies and gentlemen, I'll be shorting Bitcoin on the way down here. I promise you, I will be shorting. You heard what I said, Fred. Let's go to bed. No, not with Fred. You know how we like to fool around with rhyming on the timing, like Dr. Goose, like Dr. Loose. Dr. Goose is on the loose, or Dr. Seuss is on the loose. You know we always fool around with that. Long story short, get to the real TA. Stop fooling around, Pete. We're basically going to come down and bounce here through as we get this upward momentum. So watch what I do. This is what we did, right? This is the forwardly. Up to the area and back down to touch the 31.5 area. I do expect that. So pay attention to mention, definitely to mention. The 31.5 is somewhere I want to pay attention to there on the fall. And the 32.8, 32.9 is the target price on the resistance. So pay attention to that. As we're falling now, it's shaking a couple people's boots. Where would we have to go? Wall Street Pete, great question, as I just make my own question up. Where would we have to go to shake the short, the bears out? Where would we have to go to shake the bears out? Well, I was looking at a lot of this mess here, and as I get out of here, I could just erase it, and there we go. Where do we have to go? Well, I would have to be somewhere around the 34 number. So there's your answer. It would have to be this target price to shake and liquidate the shorting of the bears, and that's something really important. A lot of people want to know this. That would be my target price in order for us to really reverse this number here. 34.5-ish, somewhere around there. I mean, we really just need to see 34. But please hit the like and subscribe. We need some more viewers here. Pay attention, definitely to mention. This would liquidate. Liquidate. Okay, we're going to not spell today. Liquidate. All right, so I'm just going to leave it there because I'm retarded right now. Liquidate, right? Because I don't want it to be too long regardless. Jesus. Liquidate. Okay, there we go. I was having a brain fart for a second. I have a lot on my mind today, please. It's been a long day, and it's not over yet. 34.5, the liquidation. This would get the shorts on the bears. I'm like fucking like I can't believe it. I might as well have Yoda. You know what? Hold on. I'm dyslexic right now. So, you want to make fun of me? Stuttering John, Stuttering Pete, whatever. I swear I'm like Stuttering Pete. So, there you go. Happy I am not. Happy I am not. Happy I am. Yes, it's dyslexic day. I might as well fucking talk like Yoda. I'm sorry. It sounds like a babbling fool right now. But that's what I wanted to get at. Liquidation 34.5. That's where we need to get the bears out to short them and get them liquefied. So anybody who's shorting right now, this is where we need to get to kick their ass. So pay attention to that. I'm not saying we're going there. I'm saying we should be going there. But that's another talk for another day. This is the Bitcoin price. This is a mess. We've established a fucking huge mess. I apologize for anyone, but that is a lot of my TA. What do? I would just start erasing, start getting rid of a lot of the stuff. This way I can just clean it all up. Oh, gosh, it goes all the way back to there. We're not going to do that. All right, so this is what I do when I get tired of seeing the views. That's pretty much it. Get rid of the indicator, and we start over. So pay attention, definitely to mention. This is something I would be paying attention very strongly if I just opened up the chart, right? See, we just got here, right? And as you just may have gotten here, hit the like and subscribe. If you like making sick dough in crypto, I thought you'd know. We're going up here, and we're going to do the Fibonacci. Oh, we got a yellow now. So now we got a yellow Fibonacci. And you know what? Now I'm keeping it there forever because it's nice against the black. Ooh, sexy, Rexy, right? Instead of that reddish, whatever it was. All right, so the golden pocket. We definitely destroyed the golden pocket on the color there. Maybe I want to remove that. I don't know. No, I'm not going to reset the chart. Okay, so look, we're here. Started off here. This was only the 19th. All right, so the fall of the 19th was coming through down hardcore. Now we have established a little bit of something here, a little bit of volume, a little bit of some bullish action. What are we looking at for the numbers? Well, the numbers are very important. The numbers are very telling on my Uncle Fibonacci Rachi. I'm trying to get the numbers to spit out. There we go, the 38.2 pullback. So that would be the first pay attention, definitely to mention. Action I would look at on the forwardly. So this is every 4 hours. I do not want to fall through there yet. As this is something I'm looking at first, we're going to the 23.6. So that's about where we're at for the 23.6. We know I do this all the time on my channel. A lot of people like this. A lot of people, they're not too sure, but then they like it when they go, wait a minute, his TA was dead on. Well, then start paying attention, definitely to mention. Like I said, I had a long day today. I feel like Yoda, so that's why I threw Yoda up there. Definitely can't speak at the moment. Now I'm feeling better, right? So now we come through, we're checking it out. Okay, oh, well, it's starting to look like it makes sense here. This may be the price I ride out. This would be a price you would want to maybe short, because if you start breaking through, well, if you don't get the bounce off, there's going to be a problem. So that's why I like to look at all different scenarios. So now I'm coming out from the forwardly, and I want to see if it matches up with the hour. So let's see. I'm going to just play a little devil's advocate here. Move the drawing. This is the hourly, so we just switch from the 4, because what happens is the hourly gives me, I feel like a little bit more extra. It gives me, like, obviously for common reasons, an hour comes before 4, so the TA is sooner. That's probably what I want to spit out. I'm telling you, that Yoda power is up there, man. Whew. I'm really exhausted. I've been up since 5. A lot of things have been going on today. Research, TA, it just never stops. You know that. This market, I'll tell you, you'll be dead. The life still goes, right? It's just like the street lights. You'll be dead, but the street lights will still turn red and green. It doesn't matter what you do here. So regardless, you're going to have to do TA. All right, so we're right about here where I want to be on this line. I want it here, but it's okay. So I'm going to zoom in on my hourly, and I want to see what's happening, because I don't really see a pullback. I don't see a big retracement. A lot of people do, because they see their money change and they get jaded. It's called you get jaded. You get used to seeing certain prices, you get jaded, and now you don't know. Oh, God, we're always going down. Yeah, we are always going down up until this fucking trend right here that we just broke the neckline. If you could tell any neckline, we broke it. It's clear as day. I'm just doing some bullshit TA line here. This ain't real. This is just a quick tidbit here to show you. We broke the neckline. I mean, it's for real. We broke the downward trend neckline. Can we still fall? Abso-fucking-lutely. Can we bounce back up? Absolutely. It's like the weatherman, but I see a bounce up to the 32.9, 32.8 level, and that's when we may see a lot of resistance. If we break through further, then I'll hold it. But we got to see what's happening with the candles. Like I said, I do see some problems up here, as we've seen in the past. And this is just the hourly, folks. So if you pay attention to the different levels, 31.7, that's a possibility we kick back all the way through. I would not be happy to see that. I could do some TA a little differently here, but that would not be accurate. So that's why I come all the way down to here. We may not even see that. We may just see this, because we could be seeing the volume coming in. This is the hourly, and that's where you still get your W coming back, kicking through the 31.7. We're not far away from the 31.7, so I would be upset to see that price, but I would be riding it. I would be holding this fall, and it would be giving me my upward W, and that's where you would see it. So pay attention to the couple of the levels. 31, if you can zoom in a little bit more, if I can zoom in for you, we're going to get off. I just want you to know Bitcoin rules everyone. So if you don't give a shit what Bitcoin's doing, then you don't really care what's happening in the crypto market. That's my opinion, okay? And it's not really an opinion. A lot of people know that's a fact. 38% pullback here is the 31.3. So the 31.3 here on this currently time in an hourly candle, that can happen. Will we finish on there? I hope not. If we bounce, then yes, it's going to be a super Tigger bounce. That's a possibility, but I honestly expected a little bit of a green candle here, a little bit of a bounce sooner. So pay attention to a sooner jump and then this. So this is what I expect. Now, what I'm showing you is not what I expect. What I expect is this. This is what I expect short term, that. We talked about that, and then we talked about hitting the levels down, and then we'll see where we get from there. Falling down a little bit back to the retracement of the 31.5. I already talked about that. I still see some momentum coming up first. So before we get to this level, like I said, let's get rid of this really fast. I want to get to the real momentum, the one that looks real, that one. Pay attention to that, okay? So that's the one that I really want to see happen here. In this area, I don't know if you can see it. I'll change it to white. That is my upward W. It's very short term. Don't expect much from it because if you see, we will get some type of an M maybe forming. I'm not sure. Like I said, it only matters on what's going to happen with the volume, what everyone does, what everyone decides they want to do, what the whales want to do, right? It's not up to me. It's never up to me. We're coming down a little bit, 1.3 trillion still, so we're still okay. The gas fees are at 25 Gwei, however you say that. I do know that you can go to your averages here and it would tell you if that's high. If you see it's a standard rate right now. So that's good. We'd rather it be obviously at the standard as opposed to anywhere abnormal, but there's going to be a price change based off that. You'll see. That'll change. The gas fees off Ethereum, once that changes and they get cheaper, you will see the price is going to fucking go through the roof. So if you're holding and you're a hodler and you're not trading on leverages, if you do trade on leverage, I do advise experienced traders only. Bitcoin, Binance, let's go to the new ones real quick. We like to do this once in a while. Recently added, right? And who's recently adding some new coins out there? This is now what? Thursday, the 22nd. We got some new coins out there, ladies and gentlemen. That's shocker, right? Who's leading in the most coins coming out in the past today? Binance Coin. Let's see. Starship came out today. Tesla Safe came out today. 88,000 in volume. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Ooh, a lot of zeros there. That's too many. I'm not counting how many zeros. It was like 8. That's a lot. Then we got Crypto World. Zoo is something to do with the zoo, I would imagine. Binance Coin, you'll be able to pay through the zoo. Who the hell knows? Maybe it's for the animals. They're going to come out with something for your butthole one day. It's going to be the butthole coin. Binance is on top of it, is my point. Binance. So I do see a lot of networks coming out with the Binance. That's something that I'm very bullish on. Ethereum is always kicking. There was a point where it was nothing but Ethereum. So now we're starting to get things where it's just nothing but Binance. So that's got to be a bullish indicator that Binance is growing strong today. Look at all the coins that came out today. There were 12 coins that came out in the crypto market today. So if you notice, the exchanges are 389 cryptos. There's 11,020, and I guess we were at 11,008, and we just added 12 today. So Rising Sun, you made the cut list of the 12 today. That's interesting. New coins, new shit coins. What are they up? Look at the percentages in the last hour, 24 hours. Nothing significant has happened here unless this is a lie. But if you go back to a couple of coins from a couple of days ago, we have a 37% fall on Etherback. That is a Binance coin. Kind of weird. A lot of crazy things. Hey, check it out later. But is XLM buying MoneyGram? Yes, it is. If Luke was to... If mine and Luke's conversation was correct, yes, Stellar is buying MoneyGram. Yes, that is a fact. That is correct, Lewis. I do believe in Luke's research. So that's not my research. That is Luke's for right now. Yes, I did hear that. But now we go back to the real world. Let's get back to the non-shit crypto coins. And you will see the rankings will not change. But I did notice that the tether, we were in the 56 billion tether 2 hours ago, and now there's a lot of billions missing. How many? We sound like a child. 56 is about 11 billion missing. Do the math. That's wild. And the volume missing. I'm not kidding. Tether was. I seen it. It was 56 billion. It's gone. 11 billion is gone. So XLM. Let's talk about it. Why not? We're here for you. You want to talk about some XLM? A lot of people like it. Let's get there. XLM Stellar up 13%. Buy the rumor, sell the motherfucking news. Well, guess what? There's a lot of rumors that, hey, did XLM buy MoneyGram? Well, apparently they did. Beating out XRP on MoneyGram. Oh, okay. So let's pay attention. I got to get some crypto news on there. Hold up for me in a little. Maybe we'll do one tonight. I'll pay attention and do some homework on that for everyone. I'm curious too now. I want to make sure who's on MoneyGram because it sounds like Luke would not lie to me. Luke would not be incorrect. He's the man. So I wish we could page Luke. Paging Luke, if you were now responding, could you please comment and put your 2 cents in there as you did tell me earlier today. Stellar. So it's got to be. Look, buy the rumor, sell the news. We're buying the rumor still. So pay attention to that. That's 1,000% something to pay attention to. We're going to go into the charts. Why not? That would be stupid not to. Look at my upward trend there on Ethereum as we are now touching there again as we've done before. We are continuing. I believe the next candle coming up through we will be higher. That's good news. That's just bullshit, TA. We didn't really check it out, but I do see the 2 candles showing a little bit of some bullish action coming. So let's see what happens there. Let's get to XLM Stellar. It's really important to talk about this while it's getting some pump action. It's definitely getting the action that we see that we always want. Everybody wants to see their investment move like Stellar's moving. Currently, it's on the cheap. I hate when I have to fly through 2 million crypto. Oh, there it is, right? XRP, no. I have a quick eye for this stuff, so there it is. Okay, so we do see some action here. Let's see. All right, so it's doing everything what the crypto market's doing anyway, right? Bitcoin, paging daddy, the Bitcoin big daddy. That's always similar. What are we doing? Well, we seem to be getting some type of pullback from this beautiful up movement. All right, I like it. I see it. This is XLM. This is Stellar. Hit the like and subscribe as we can get the algorithm to go through. This is TA. This is Wall Street Pete. Used to work on the New York Mercantile Exchange. We now do crypto. TA crypto. No more commodities. But hey, we do TA and a lot of stuff here. We just want to see what's going on. We want to see why it's here, what's going on when it is here. Really, I do see something here. This is the most significant area I want to be at. This is the most significant spot. And you know what? Just by looking at this chart, I do see it. I do. I'll say it. Foghorn Leghorn, right? We know who that guy is. I do believe there's a pattern coming up here. There is something. There's this bullish action, right? We get this head and shoulders pattern coming. Nothing yet. Nothing in that similar formation, but I'm on the forwardly on Stellar, so I'm trying to pay attention. What's up, man? What's good? Please hit the like, baby, as we can get so many likes right now to get this algorithm going through. We need a lot of people to understand that this is the crew. So now I'm looking at the forwardly, and it's saying short term, long term are going down. So in about tonight while we're sleeping, if you're on the East Coast, even the West Coast, we are falling, so that's going to be something to pay attention to. I go to the hourly, we're already falling. We're already down into it, all right? Now we got to pay attention a little more into key here because people are going to get they're going to get shaked out. You're going to get shook out of your boots. What is happening is this is current time. Of course, she calls. They always call when you're busy as hell. Let's see. You should know I'm live right now. Let's see. I'm trying to get to the 15-minute. I'm sorry. There it is. So that's what I wanted to see. There we go. This is why I'm bullish, and this is why I'm excited. Okay. So 15-minute. This is the short term. This is the shortest you're going to get, right? We're not going any shorter than this. We're going 15-minute TA. 15-minute TA, Stellar. And this is why the crypto market is going to follow. Maybe the news is really bullying this through. I don't know, but it's giving us a bullish action. Definitely a little bit of a fall through, like I said. Look what I showed you from the get-go before that little U, right? Well, this is where the U's giving you. It's the history of this. History, hickory, doc. Sound like a nut job. The mouse went up the clock. Well, when I showed you that U, it's the same U up here. As we change it to the hourly, the forwardly, you see what's happening. So we're going to touch that line. That's without even doing the Fibonacci. I see it, 5.9. That's what's going to happen. The fuck, 5.9. What's going on here? Hold on. Okay. Yeah, that's what blew my mind. I'm seeing the 5.9 on the side, and I'm like, 5.9? That ain't even what I do. What do you mean 5.9? All right, so we're going to get off there now because that just was wild what just happened now. Let me go back and see if I can get out of there because that... When did that happen? Did anyone see that? The billions switch over to the price? I'm just curious when that happened. See the price? Now it's on the price. We go back. All right, so I don't know what's going. I don't know what happened there. That's never happened to me before. So we're gonna go right back to XLM. I apologize, everyone. That is the weirdest, wacky bloopers I've had on this show. That is the weirdest shit I've ever seen. Okay, so now let's get to the price because I did not have that set up, ladies and gentlemen. I've never seen that before. I've never even done that. I didn't even know you could do that. So there you go. I'm going to have to look into that when I get done. So this is what I was talking about. That loop action on there, even though it's the same thing, even though it wasn't the price, we're still getting that. Everything is the same. Everything is the same. The relative strength index chart on Stellar, it's all the same. Go to the 15-minute. We're down here. We're curving. See the drops. The drop is done. Okay. Well, the drop is going to stop here. Drop, stop, ready and roll. And then the bullish action is going to perform. It's the same thing on Bitcoin. Why the fuck? I'm losing my shit here. Why is this chart showing me something different? Do you see this? Does anybody know how to fix this live? Because I'm telling you, I've never seen this in my life. I've never seen this before. This is new. All right, so I'm not using that chart no more. I'm telling you right now, somebody is going to be able to help me sooner or later. It makes me feel really silly because what the fuck is going on with that? Anyways, so that last candle, well, this is even the 15-minute here. Let's get to the hourly. We're going to start building up. All righty. So now we're falling. We've came down. There were some scary moments already in this hourly moment, okay? This is the current time of the price. This is what I'm expecting, and then I expect that fall. So definitely, we're going to get off now. Pay attention to what Bitcoin's doing. If you need to reverse this, rewind this video and really get the understanding, because a lot of funky things have been happening on this video today. I don't know if somebody's messing with me up above. I don't know what the hell's going on. I swear to you, there's some funky stuff happening today. But I do want to review this really quick before I go. As we always do this stuff. This is definitely going to happen. I expect this big time. Pay attention. I'm not a registered financial advisor. We know that. But expect this loop coming through, and then we will fall through, and then we will be talking a different scenario, shorting Bitcoin. Okay? So we're getting the breakout. It's continuing. It's get the sideways action coming through this. If you see, we're starting to get a little bit of an ascending triangle forming here. I'm not going to go through it crazily, but we are. This may finish deadly. Red candle, then with the next up. I'm looking to see where we're going to fall here. I don't expect it to finish green. 27 minutes for the hourly. But like I said, this is definitely going to finish red, and then the next 8 o'clock candle. So we got an hour and 27 minutes. So you know what? Maybe I'll see you in an hour and 27 minutes. I'm not 100% sure. All right. So let's pay attention to that on the Bitcoin price. Those are kind of important things to pay attention to. I'm just saying that's important for me. It's important for you. If you're involved in Bitcoin, you're going to want to know. Hit the bell notification so when we go live, you can get this stuff. Sicto in crypto, baby. And you already know. Yeah. We're gonna have a good day. Da, 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 da. Yeah, yeah. Ain't no one gonna die today. Yeah. So hit the like, subscribe, baby. I know I'm fucking crazy, but we're gonna still have bills to pay and do this always TA. I really don't give a shit what you say. It's gonna be the freestyle crypto. Today we're going to the moon and we're going soon. It's Wall Street Pete, got his toes in the sand. You can come over and call me the man, but we got a plan. We're going to the moon, we're going soon. So hit the like, subscribe, you're gonna go on a ride. Crypto. I thought you'd know. Baby, yo, we're going there, and I don't care. A long time ago, my hair was waving goodbye, and now it's gone, and I don't care or cry, because when I get that money, I'll just get implants. You know what I'm saying? Not the implants here, and not so near. So don't be Oh, I can't say that word. It's not nice, but Zuckerberg pisses me off, and he's like, shit. It's Wall Street Pete, and that's about it. Have a good day. Have a good way. It's all TA. We got bills to pay. Like I said, Fred, have a party. In your pants by the dip. Romance, have a sip. We out like trout. Don't let the Bears win today. Let's get it, baby. Wall Street, Pete, Sicto, and Crypto. Represent New York. I thought you'd know. Have a good day. Seriously, love y'all. Peace in and peace out.